Payment inefficiencies plague nearly every healthcare provider in the US. The reality? Outdated systems, complex claims, and delayed transactions are more than just an inconvenience, they're a financial and operational drain. Failed payments lead to frustrated patients and overworked staff. Every error takes time to fix, and every delay costs your practice trust and efficiency. Across the industry, providers lose up to $300 billion every year because of revenue leakage and inefficiencies. That's thousands of dollars per clinic, gone, simply because your payment system can't keep up. And when it comes to data security, a single breach could cost your practice not just money but your reputation. Patients demand trust and confidentiality. Can your current system deliver that? Enter Paynova, the payment solution designed specifically for the unique challenges of US healthcare providers. With Paynova, you get fast, seamless transactions that process in seconds, saving hours of staff time. Automated claims processing that eliminates revenue leakage. Advanced encryption and fraud detection, ensuring every transaction is secure. Paynova doesn't just fix inefficiencies, it transforms your practice. Patients enjoy smoother experiences, staff stay productive, and your clinic sees real financial benefits. Imagine saving up to $12,000 annually just by streamlining your payments. It's time to say goodbye to chaos and hello to clarity. Paynova, streamlining payments, improving care, and giving you the tools to focus on what really matters, your patients.